sur Rocky. De l'Euro 2020, on se retrouve dans quelques secondes en direct de Reykjavik pour suivre ensemble cette Islande-France. A tout de suite.
Avec de l'équipe de France, l'absence d'Mbappé qui est importante.
Et le coup d'envoi. Et le premier centre qui passe devant. Et de son pied droit, il va trouver là-bas la première accélération peut-être pour Kingsley Coman. Il préfère être altruiste avec le centre de Benjamin Pavard, les deux joueurs du Bayern Munich qui comptent. Un nouveau Griezmann. Là, il l'a levé un tout petit peu plus vers la tête de Raphaël Varane. Et c'est parti dans le dos. C'est parti dans le dos avec Coman, mais la présence aussi.
Ouais, c'est bien joué ça, c'est ouvert, le côté droit c'est ouvert.
Et à droite, il ne l'aura pas voir.
Ah, il est rentré, il y avait.
Son légion dans
C'est un bon appel ça. Et bon retour de Pavard qui avait été pris de bon.
À Reykjavik en direct pour cette Islande-France. Et la faute de Lucas Digne. Et le premier clapping islandais.
À peu près bien organisé.
Ça s'est passé, ça a été bien dosé par l'anglais. Centre et Aldorsson va s'en saisir de ce ballon. C'était presque un premier frisson. Au 7-14-14, Julien, vous appelez le 36-80. Bonne chance à vous. Coman. De Coman et la tête. Et le coup franc.
Sur ce côté-là, sur.
Et rejoindre Fontaine et Papin en cas de but. Et ça ne retournera pas.
Il avait mis la puissance. Côté islandais.
Giroud.
Hop là, il y a un petit.
Très bien placé, monsieur Rocky. Franchement, Olivier Giroud va vers l'arbitre italien pour se plaindre et va d'ailleurs
être prendre un carton.
Ouais. Tout le monde est prévenu. Tout le monde connaît la qualité islandaise dans cet exercice. Et cette fois-ci, la défense.
L'Islande doit s'imposer dans quelques jours face à la Turquie.
Giroud et un drapeau qui se lève pour Olivier Giroud.
Pour les Islandais. D'avoir une position quand même qui
bon pressing de Giroud. Qui avait choisi de frapper cette fois-ci. Pavard qui ne peut pas frapper, pas de hors-jeu. Coman qui va centrer encore. Nouveau corner. Derrière le poteau de corner. Encore au premier poteau. Reprise.
Bon centre.
Et bien joué aussi. Et bien joué.
Le 6e. Mais on est rarement dangereux.
Et frappe détournée. Aldorsson sans saisie. Face à Benjamin Pavard. Mais peut-être là avec ce centre en retrait. Griezmann et Aldorsson sans saisie en deux temps, juste devant Kingsley Coman.
Ouais, très bien joué par Lucas Digne, ce centre en retrait. La frappe.
Allez, à droite, il aura Coman. C'est le pied droit qui choisit Coman. Le contrôle et la frappe de Kingsley Coman. Petit filet. Coman. Allez, réussir ce centre tendu. Alfredson qui. Ça paraît tout bête et tout simple, mais c'est une évidence. Et pour l'instant, les blancs sont loin.
Il faudra un peu se baser sur les 10 moments d'aller dans le vestiaire.
De cette première période. On espère beaucoup mieux.
It will be a pan-European competition. We're at the very north.
Characteristics that Kylian Mbappe can provide that they have no one near his level. True Coman, and there's just hardly any room for France in the final third. The passing is languid.
It came here, that was over 20 years ago. They have been held to goalless draws as well, twice. Sigurdsson stealing it away, looking for the run. 6 to aim for inside the Icelandic penalty area. Goes near post. Perhaps Bjarnason. It's a decent looking crossing. Thorson with injury as Sigurdsson takes the corner. There's an invitation attached, but his presence felt again. This time the cross from the left along the ground, and Giroud, another half chance with which he didn't really connect.
And talk about a bit of Ross.
You've mentioned Jonathan Ikone also is on the bench as that cross comes in towards Giroud, and his corner was dealt with, and the follow-off thus far, but Coman trying to change that, and Griezmann has peeled away.
Pineda are not getting a chance.
Well, he may do very shortly as that cross comes in, and well, Giroud with that. Yeah, could be used. He's been in good form in the German Bundesliga with Borussia Mönchengladbach. Yep. Now Griezmann. Well, Al Dawson was worried just momentarily as Griezmann ultimately skewed that shot the wrong way, wrong side of the post.
And how do I get an Icelandic last name? It's actually quite simple. You take
Varsson, and then the goal we've been waiting for in this group has finally arrived. His own crossbar.
And now France have a lot more room to try to play that ball over the top.
Gignac, Griezmann. Come on. With Mogerson, one of the heroes yet. Pavard's cross. A follow-up shot, side footage. Being on. Sigthorsson with the layoff. This is Paulsen. Well, he measured it. He's yet to score for Iceland, and that record. It's clever work by Kingsley Coman, and it's wide open. And Tweedy off the post. Just a fraction away from finishing it as a contest.
It's excellent work.
Griezmann back to him, beautifully played. Oh, and Ben Yedder denied by Hal Dawson.
That he has on the ball as well, Ben Yedder.
And immediately displaying his wares. That was a full-blooded volley from Matuidi, and they're going to need some attention. Matuidi holding his head, because that may well have been on target.
And of course now with the concussion protocol.
We're going to get to see him for the final 12 minutes or so. Wissam Ben Yedder. Follow-up cross towards Griezmann, still there for him, Antoine Griezmann.
Good ball, by the way, from Victor Paulsen. Whipped in with plenty of pace to that near post.
And a drive fell well wide. He's still probably going to be number one here in Reykjavik. Giroud battling Griezmann, threatening, deciding to go down, penalty. Well, it wasn't an immediate tumble from Griezmann. There was a split second of a delay. Whether there was contact or not, Griezmann eventually going down, and the referee, Gianluca Rocchi, just took half a second, didn't he, and then pointed to the spot.
I'm surprised by this. In live time, couldn't really even see any clear contact. And in Griezmann, from the time of the...
It's Giroud, and that will do. Very nicely done indeed, and France have had 65 minutes of toil here in Reykjavik, and they have their noses in front.
Halderson trying to play a few mind games before this penalty was taken and gets sent the wrong way. Even if he had guessed correctly, I'm not sure he gets a touch. The bed.
In stoppage time, Matteo, I can tell you Turkey have scored against Albania. They required a penalty, Matteo, to finally get their noses in front.
Crowd.
Matteo, it's been an absolute pleasure, as always. Thanks for... Giroud battling Griezmann, threatening, deciding to go down, penalty. Well, it wasn't an immediate tumble from Griezmann. There was a split second of a delay. Whether there was contact or not, Griezmann eventually going down, and the referee, Gianluca Rocchi, just took half a second, didn't he, and then pointed to the spot.
I'm surprised by this. In live time, couldn't really even see any clear contact. And in Griezmann, from the time of the...
It's Giroud, and that will do. Very nicely done indeed, and France have had 65 minutes of toil here in Reykjavik, and they have their noses in front.
Halderson trying to play a few mind games before this penalty was taken and gets sent the wrong way. Even if he had guessed correctly, I'm not sure he